we'll be going in there to see what food we can find. So let's go. It takes me a while to cross the street as well. So we're now here at our Petaling Street, or Jalan Petaling here. It's also known as our Chinatown. So usually around like 6 to 7 o'clock you can see this place packed with lots of street traders. These are actually herbal jellies. If you're feeling very hot in this weather, you can just get some really cooling like herbal jelly. You can actually have them with like sugar or honey, I think. And if you just prefer something to drink, you can get some herbal drinks here. This is the bitter one, and this one is the slightly sweet one. You can see up there it says Sayangi Kuala Lumpur. It actually means love Kuala Lumpur. Sayangi William, love William. This is actually just like a Bangkok night market as well. The things that you see here, it's more or less similar, but I'm not too sure on the haggling side of things because I've never really buy anything from Chinatown. I think once. Right, so what we have here is actually Muah Chee. So this is how it looks like. Oh, come on. There we go. Brings back so much old memories. So it's chewy, such a perfect snack on the go. Right now I'm in the queue to get some tau fufa. Tau fufa is actually a soya bean curd. Pretty awesome because you get like a nice, smooth, silky tofu-like texture, and they'll drizzle some sugar with it, either dark sugar, molasses, or even white sugar with some ginger. So here we go. This is how it looks like. See how soft and smooth it is. You can just like slurp it in this way. This tastes so good. Love it. So now what I'm getting is ayam mata kucing. Ayam mata kucing, if you translate it directly, it actually means cat tears. Let's drink some cat tears. It's actually like longan and this kind of fruit thing. I don't even know what is it called. Like lohang po. I'll find a translation for you. There we go. So you can see some longan in there, and then the color is actually from this fruit right here. Sweet, refreshing. Hey everyone, so today we'll be making something totally different than what we usually make. Today we'll be making something what we call Muah Chee back in Malaysia. So Muah Chee is like a sticky glutinous rice dessert which I had at Petaling Street with lots of peanuts and sugar in them. Awesome. So all you will be needing is glutinous rice flour, some water, tapioca flour, sesame seed, peanuts, last but not least, some sugar. The first thing that you want to do is to roast your peanuts and sesame seeds. Now, I'm not going to roast my peanuts over here only because the ones that I've got here are roasted peanuts. So if you can get hold of roasted peanuts, get those because it saves you so much time. Now, sesame seeds over here, I'm going to just turn it to medium-low heat so that I don't burn the sesame seeds. Now, you just want to get it to like a golden brown color. So this is the color that we want. And then we're just going to put this all back to here. And that's the sesame done. Right, next thing you want to do, get your mixing bowl and your glutinous rice flour ready. Let's just pour this all in. Then we'll be adding some tapioca flour. And if you can't get hold of tapioca flour, you can try using cornstarch as well. But the texture wouldn't be as chewy or as nice as this one. Pour the water, add in bits by bit, so just a bit, and mix it around first. So you want the texture to be something like melted marshmallow-like kind of texture. Next thing we want to do is I'm going to spread a bit of oil to the pan that I'm going to use to steam my mixture here. Now, let's pour all this in I've got a steaming rack in here. Just gonna pour in some boiling hot water. Alright, now we're gonna put this in. Okay, we're gonna steam this for about 10 to 15 minutes. While we're steaming this, let's make the peanut and sesame base. Add the peanuts in. Just gonna pound this. Let's add in the sesame as well. Now this is just to break the sesame out to give it an even nuttier flavor. Pour this in here. Right, then the next thing we want to do is to add sugar. I am adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then just mix all this up. Right, and it's done. Next thing we're gonna do is to transfer this whole thing into our big bowl over there. We're gonna cut it into bite-sized pieces. Look at how simple it is to make, and that's it, you're done. Once you finish cutting this, just serve it immediately. So let's try it now. Chewy, nutty, sweet, everything I could ever ask for. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you've got any other ideas that you want us to do, just comment down below as well. So see you next time, bye!